Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Please stay tuned for the end of the video where I ask you to submit requests. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the little felt shirt shown here. And if you want to make a skirt to go with it, I've included that link in the description area below this video on YouTube as well. It fits dolls that are 14 inches, 15 inches, and 16 inches tall. Now, I timed myself while I made the skirt today just to let you know how long that takes, and it took less than 20 minutes. But I did use a sewing machine. I didn't sew it by hand. However, today's tutorial is for making the shirt, which is quite quick and easy to sew, although the snaps are going to take a little while to sew by hand. So I recommend that you give yourself about an hour to make it, maybe a little less, like 45 minutes. And furthermore, this is a remastered version of an older tutorial that's been on my website for a long time. So you've probably seen it already, but it didn't have voiceover, so I'm updating it. Now, before we begin this very simple project, please go to my website, chellywood.com, to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. There's a helpful link in the description area below. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown here, and you want to just use simple felt for this. Lay one of the backs on top of the front bodice, like this. Stitch across the shoulder seam. Now, I'm using a needle and thread, but you could use a sewing machine. It would go a lot faster. Lay the other back against the bodice front, like this. Sew across this shoulder seam as well. If you are in a hurry to save time, you should definitely use a sewing machine. Lay the shirt out flat so you can press the seams. Use an iron to flatten the shoulder seams. Flip one of the backs against the front again and sew from the underarm area to the shirt's base, just like you see here. Flip the other back onto the front with right sides together like you see me doing here. Sew from this underarm to the shirt's base. So it should look like this. And here's how it looks if you use a sewing machine, which of course will be a little quicker than sewing it by hand. Open the shirt up with side seams facing you. Press these side seams to flatten them. Stitch the open seam from underarm to base using a simple running stitch. You can use your sewing machine to do this as well. Do the same for the shoulder stitches. Now, this is optional, this top stitching. It can make the felt appear a little bit lumpy, so be aware of that, but it also keeps the felt from bunching when it's worn by the doll. Add some snaps to the back of the shirt. If you need help with snaps, I do have a tutorial for that. You may also want to run buttons down the front, and I also have a YouTube short on how I sew buttons onto a doll's garment. And I have links on my website for buying buttons. Now you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns for making doll clothes to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, chellywood.com.
Okay, so you know that I'm the pattern lady. I've been asked, how do you get so much done? I use a sewing planner to help me achieve my goals. Now I have an Etsy store where you can purchase this. In my Etsy store, I'm offering an editable version of my one-page simple sewing planner for you to download to your phone or computer. It's just a little one-page document. Just type your goals into the text boxes, print it out, and pin it on your sewing room wall. I hope you go check it out. You can set New Year's resolutions that you can achieve and make changes to your planner as your goals are met.
And right now on Chellywood.com, I'm taking requests. What doll clothes patterns would you like me to design in 2026? So please visit my website, look for the blog button on the home page, and look for a blog post about my sewing goals and achievements, and also requests. I'd really like to know what you would like for me to design in the coming year. Thank you.